Hello everyone. I'm here today to talk about my experience with Singhania shaping therapies. Around 6 months back, my child was showing a lot of hyperactive behavior. The sitting tolerance was zero. And हम जहाँ पे भी जाते थे, शादी में हो या फिर कोई social gathering हो, so he not used to sit at one place, इधर उधर भाग रहा है. So normally society had started judging him. दैट बहुत मस्तीखोर है, एक जगह पे बैठता नहीं है, किसी की सुनता नहीं है, सब चीज़ें यहाँ वहाँ फेंक रहा है, वेरी बैड बिहेवियर, पेरेंट्स का ध्यान नहीं है. सो ऑल दिस वॉज कमिंग टू अस एंड एज अ पेरेंट वी डिडंट नो व्हाट टू डू बिकॉज एट होम ही वॉज फाइन, ही वॉज लिसनिंग टू मी. In fact, he was having conversation with me, but when it came to a social behavior, we were facing a lot of problems. And post-COVID, when he started going to school, nothing, no studies, not sitting at a place, no listening to teachers. So it started worrying us a lot. फिर हम बहुत सारे evaluation centers गए, बहुत सारे doctors को मिले. So everything was extremely new for us. All the terms like hyperactive behavior or maybe your child is autistic, ADHD, these all terms were very new and very scaring for me. So my husband got very scared and he thought कुछ problem है अपने बच्चे में. So you take care. So he had a very negative approach towards all this. But then I thought no, if I am going to give up, then who is going to work on my child? So I went to my school principal. So she gave me a contact and she told me to go there and just evaluate Ivan over there and then see how it goes. So as soon as I entered Singhania Shaping Therapies, I was extremely positive because the infrastructure over there is so huge. There are different classrooms where the child is evaluated. The playing area is huge. I mean, Ivan himself, my son himself, entered the premises and he started playing. He started playing with the blocks, all the basic toys. It was very attractive, very colorful for him. So he got comfortable. That is the first step where I myself as a parent got comfortable. Then they went ahead with the evaluation and they told me all the basic things. Basic, I mean, from the starting of a 1-year-old child, what was he doing, what happened, did you face any problems, everything was evaluated. And then it was explained to me that this is a hyperactive behavior which can be solved with therapies. There is nothing to worry, or it is not a huge thing, you know, the way society has named it, or society has made a taboo about it that बच्चे को problem है, उसको तो medicine देना पड़ेगा. But I don't think so because therapies work wonders on these children. These children just need a path wherein they are guided properly and given a proper therapy as to do what to do and what not to do. Somewhere we as a parents or even in school we are not able to give that 100% personal attention to the children, and some milestones have been delayed. We don't understand that unless and until the behavior is uncontrollable in the society. So that is an alarming situation and there is no age for this. I mean, अभी तो मेरा बच्चा 5-6 साल का हो गया, अभी तो शायद ये ऐसे ही रहेगा. ऐसे नहीं है, there is no age for this. You can start therapies at any age because they have that kind of therapist who can make the child comfortable, and the location is such where even a 10-year-old child can play and even a 3-year-old child can play and be comfortable. So after the evaluation, they had a different proper strategy wherein they did occupational therapy, behavior therapy. These all terms were new for me, and they really work on the child. So today, my son is sitting in the classroom, writing numbers, doing alphabets, talking to friends. He is socially acceptable. Now he has friends. He didn't have friends before we came here, and that was sad for me because I am a social person, so I wanted my child to have friends and he being acceptable. I don't want him to be number 1 rank in the school, but I want him to be acceptable inside the classroom, making friends and just having fun, you know, like enjoying his life. So I can see that smile in my child, eye contact is better. So the therapist has so many, my therapies which I had with shaping therapies, they have so much of patience with Ivan. So I was like, if the therapist can have patience, why can't I have patience in my child? I can't be like, मैं ये नहीं कर सकती, बहुत मस्ती कर रहा है, मैं काम कब करूँगी. काम तो बाद में भी होगा, but when your child is growing and when your child is developing, if you will not give your 100% to them or get to know about these therapies, which is like a play class. I call this place as a play class. I didn't wanted him to take this word like, you know, occupational therapy or behavior. I tell him this is play class, and he has accepted it. Morning he will ask me, Mama, when are we going to play class? So play class is basically a therapy where he's coming, he's talking, he's making friends. All therapist name he knows, all the friends he knows. So in 6 months, like, the graph has been very good with my child, and I would really suggest whoever parent is thinking twice or having confusion about all this, internally you listen to yourself and please come here, at least evaluate. You go to so many doctors, you spend so much of money, come here, just evaluate your child, see what is the problem, what the child is going on, understand your child first. If he is hyperactive, masti kar raha hai, तो he doesn't know what to do. Understand him, what he wants. Maybe some of his senses are not satisfied. All this I came to know over here. So I myself love coming here. I don't tell my husband I will go to the class today, because I myself get to learn so much. And when you observe the other children, and when the other children are also becoming fine, becoming normal, it is very, very nice, you know, very good environment, I can say. So only 6 months, and I want to keep coming here because it is really helping Ivan. And I take it as a hobby class. Like, in future, even if he will not need these therapies, I would like to come, because there are group activities, there are learning different games. In fact, over here I came to know there are so many toys which are educational, which are good for the brain development. At home, when you go and buy some normal toys for your children, वो क्या 2 दिन की बात है, तीसरे दिन टूट जाता है, and then you're like, हाँ ये तो ऐसी है, मस्ती हो रहे, टूट जाता है. But buy something which is keeping their mind and their brain occupied. So all these toys, I saw it over here, and then I started buying those toys for my child, and so it keeps him occupied. He sits at one place, everything is fine. So if I can do it and my child can be fine in only 6 months, I think everybody, all the parent has to have a very positive attitude about this, and definitely this is a right place to come and go ahead with the therapies. Thank you so much.